Cut the damaged shingle so the replacement matches the exact section size and lays flush with surrounding shingles. Measure the area to be replaced carefully and mark the new shingle with a straight line using a carpenter pencil to mirror any exposed tabs and alignment with the existing roof pattern. Lay the new shingle upside down on a flat surface so the granular side faces down and score along the marked line 3 times with a sharp utility knife to weaken the granules and ensure a clean break. Do not try to saw through the thickness in one pass. When cutting along an existing seam or where one shingle will overlap another, cut on the non-exposed edge so the overlap hides the cut edge and maintains water shedding. For odd shapes or partial tab replacements, make small incremental cuts and test fit the piece over the roof opening so you can trim tiny amounts rather than removing too much material. Peel back adjacent shingles gently, lift the tabs just enough to slide the replacement into place, and fasten with corrosion-resistant roofing nails set near the factory adhesive strip while avoiding overdriving. Finally, seal all lifted edges with compatible roofing cement and press the tabs back down so the adhesive bonds, and allow adequate curing time before expecting full wind resistance. Common mistakes include cutting too large a piece, which causes gaps and leads to leaks. So always measure twice and test fit once, then trim only a little at a time. Another frequent issue is dull blades that tear granules and leave ragged edges, so replace the blade often and score multiple times instead of forcing one deep cut. People also nail in the wrong location and split the shingle or miss the underlayment, so place nails just above the cut line where the new piece will be held by the overlay and use short, corrosion-resistant roofing nails to avoid creating new failure points. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors for roof repairs and allows contractors to connect with potential clients through our listings. We host a discussion community where we and our members share practical advice, ask questions, and compare local experiences to make partial shingle repairs and replacements easier for everyone.